To counter Reliance Jio and other incumbent telecom operators in the country, Bharti Airtel has come up with two new schemes. The first one is the company offering 100% cashback on unlimited pack recharges, and the second one is the extension of postpaid data rollover scheme. Well, in this video, let's find out what Airtel's new schemes offer and how it stacks against the competition. Talking about the first scheme, Airtel has now come up with a cashback offer to counter Reliance Jio. Airtel is offering 100% cashback on unlimited pack recharges of Rs 348 and Rs 349. The company is offering this cashback if the customer pays with Airtel Payments Bank as a payment option. Airtel is offering a cashback of Rs 50 for 7 recharges of Rs 348 or Rs 349 plan. This offer sounds a lot familiar like the recent Reliance Jio Diwali offer, under which the newcomer also offered 100% cashback on the recharge of Rs 399 pack. However, Jio offered the cashback in the form of vouchers, which you can use for further recharges. But Airtel is offering flat Rs 50 cashback itself, which can be used for any purpose. For the unaware, Airtel Payments Bank can be used at more than 1 lakh payment retailers in the country. Having said that, this offer from Airtel differs from person to person and circle to circle. For example, a person has got the 100% cashback offer on Rs 348 and Rs 349 plans. And in the case of another customer, he will get the same offer on some more plans such as Rs 548, Rs 549 and some other plans. Some customer may get a different offer when compared to others. Also, the cashback value differs. For example, a customer has got a cashback of Rs 75 in the first month and which will be succeeded with a cashback of Rs 40 for the next 7 recharges. Speaking about the second scheme, you might be aware of the Airtel postpaid data rollover scheme and it made headlines for the entire last 2 months. Airtel postpaid users can now have a reason to cheer up as the company has now allowing its user to store up to 500 GB of data in their postpaid account under the postpaid data rollover scheme. Previously, Airtel allowed its users to store up to just 200 GB of data, which made it difficult for user to store more data on their account. As per our internal sources and the company's customer care support team, Airtel has extended the maximum data storage to 500 GB, but the company is yet to make an official announcement on the same, which we are expecting to be made in the next coming 2 days. So these are the two new changes implemented by Airtel. The second one is yet to be officially announced by the company, but the first 100% cashback recharge is already live for several countries across the country. What do you think of these new two schemes from Airtel? Let us know by commenting below. This is Chakri signing off for now.